Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of Flipboard and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.